You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips. And there's no tenderness like before in your fingertips. You're trying hard not to show it, baby. But baby, la 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 la. Welcome to BOOZHOO. Na na BOOZHOO. Welcome to BOOZHOO. Na na BOOZHOO. La 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 la. Doo-dum. Hey everybody. BOOZHOO gakkina. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO. Nana BOOZHOO. We're a little podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today is Ojibwe phrase of the day. Gawin. Ni ba manam zi. Gawin ni ba manam zi. I don't care. I just don't care. Gawin. In Ojibwe, the way you say you don't spot something, you start with gawin. No. Gawin. Ni. I. Bamenam zi. Bamenam. Care for. Bamenam. And then you add a z. Gawin ni bamenam zi. I don't care. When I was a kid, a lot of people in my generation were raised by the baby boomers. And these were the original Karens. These were the original protesters and that. But a lot of our teachers were from that the Great Generation, the World War II generation. And these were the boarding school survivors. These were the elders who went to World War II. And, they didn't have time for complaining. They had seen too much. They're like, oh, what's this now? You have a problem? Yeah, I had a problem once. I think I was fighting the Nazis. Oh, are you being bullied at school? Yeah, that reminds me. When we were storming the beach at Normandy, that was hard too. So the elders, when I was a kid, they had kind of a, tough love. You'd be at school and somebody be picking on you. And these are in the days before they tried to, get rid of bullying. You go up to your teacher and be like, hey, Jimmy called me fat. And the teacher wouldn't be like, oh, yeah, it's horrible that he body shamed you. I will talk to him. I will get him in trouble, The teacher would be like, tell Jimmy, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. And besides, nobody likes a telltale. Now go on. You couldn't just go to the teacher. The teacher would be like, yeah, and Jimmy's like the toughest kid. What do you want me to do about it? And it was okay. You learned how to say, I don't care. Gawin. Ni ba manam zi. I don't care. So they finally got rid of the Land O'Lakes mascot. I think she even had a name. It was something pretty like Mia. Little Anishinaabe Ikwe in a buckskin dress with her little knees. And this year, they decided that that was racist. And so the brave men and women at Land O'Lakes did their part to end racism. And they took the little Shinab off their products. And so just like history, they removed the Indians and they kept the land. So, Land O'Lakes, for your efforts, let me just say, Gawin, ni bamenam zi. I don't care. I really don't care. I didn't care before, you know. Oh, we're not mascots. Yeah, okay. You know, I was looking into Red Lake the other day, and they were saying, oh, you know how they got that name? That was based on a battle. There's a great battle between the Anishinaabe and the Dakota. And the lake ran red with their blood. And, you know, number one, I doubt that was true. What were they fighting over? Ricing patties? Hey, let's have a battle down by the swimming place. But anyway, and even if it was, isn't that a much more offensive name? What should we call this beautiful lake? Well, I don't know. It's one of the biggest lakes in the state. There's 2 lakes. It's the most beautiful thing. Should we name it after the red cedars or something that's around it? Nah, let's name it after that one battle where we killed so many people. Let's call it Red Lake. You know, we should call it Blood Lake. And then years go by and, hey man, don't call us the Fighting Sioux. That's offensive. That's racist. Really? They should call you the Bleeding Sioux. Nah, just kidding. Alright. Well, hey, just want to say, I don't care. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minowa, Hawa. You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips. La 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 la. Remember this one?
Oh yeah. Oh, George.
Well, I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. I know not everybody got a body like you, but I gotta think twice before I give my heart away. I know now all the games you play, 'cause I play them too. Oh, baby, I reconsider my foolish motion, falling from my heart back on the floor.
Oh baby,
Oh, baby, I.
no.
All right. Oh,